What's up everybody, welcome to my new video. Today we are finding multiples of a number. In this simple exercise, you build a program that takes a value of an integer, returns a list of its multiples up to another value, so a limit, returns a multiples. If limit is a multiple of integer, it should be included up to and including. Alright. Only positive numbers. Alright, let's go ahead and start over here. Find multiples. See what I'm literally just gonna copy it over and then we'll go from there. So okay, so integer. So from 2 up to 6. Okay. If, not always, if. There's a few ways that I want to go about it. Let's say, is it going to start off, that's the integer. Is it going to start off at that integer? So I put 5, 11. Okay, so it starts off, okay. So I can just add it. So it can be something like, let's say, let's do this as an example first. Then we'll kind of tweak it and whatnot, make it work. So, because I'm going to do this recursively. So, if, for now, if integer limit, what would it be, integer? Let's try integer equals limit equals no because I'm gonna use limit. I need an array. Return integer, so I could put the integer as just like that, integer as an array, and then else just return find multiples. We'll do, I need to add or subtract. I need to reach the base case pretty much. But what I want to do is once it reaches the integer, I want it to add. So pretty much at the end, I could do concat integer plus equals integer, if that makes sense. Or it could be after. Let's see what that does. Concat integer limit integer limit. How about see, I can do this with extra parameters. I'm trying to see if I can do it just regularly, but it doesn't seem that way. So we'll just go with the extra parameters. We'll go with counter equals 0. No. Counter equals counter minus equals integer. When counter equals 0, it's less than or equal to 0. Actually, when counter is less than integer, not equal to integer. Because it could be, like for example, if it went from 2 up to 7, it's not gonna include 7. It'll include 6. Let's see how this works though. Let me go ahead and log it out. Alright, so it should be an array. Okay, so that one gives me some sort of a max exceeded limit. I forgot to include this here. Alright, let's go ahead and redo it. It's still, Yeah, so it's not working. For some reason, it's giving me a max exceeded. So limit starts off at 6. Then counter is less than integer. It's not, it's 2. Counter is less than integer. Counter is 6 integer, so it's not, so it goes down here. Counter, okay. Counter minus equals integer. So 6 minus 2. Return. It's just not working. Alright, so I'm not going to concatenate anything. I'm just going to go ahead and return 2. See if that works. Okay, so what was happening was, for these past couple minutes, I was running something else. Alright, so now we should get something. 2. So now I'm going to go ahead and concatenate it. So now we just get 2, 2, 2. Obviously, we should be getting... First off, it should only be 3 numbers. Second off, it should be adding. So how do I do that? How about we do counter? Add counter instead, because I'm removing from it. Although that might not work. It'll work for this one.